Managing tax zones, classes, and rates in osCommerce. This tutorial will show you how to manage tax zones, classes, and rates in osCommerce. Click the Locations Taxes link. Since taxes, like sales tax, varies based on what geographic location the vendor is based in and only apply to customers from the same geographic region, osCommerce has tax zones that handle the geographic regions that are applicable. Click the Tax Zones link. By default, osCommerce has a simple tax zone setup for Florida. Since our store is based in Texas instead, let's add a new tax zone. Click the Insert button. Enter the zone name. Enter a description. Click the Insert button. Changes to these settings can be made by clicking the Edit button. Next, we will configure our tax zone for an existing country and zone location. Zones are used to define geographic areas other than countries such as cities, counties, states, etc. osCommerce comes with pre-configured zones for all 50 U.S. states. Other zones can be defined using the Zones option under the Localization section. osCommerce also comes with pre-configured entries for all countries at time of the version release of the software. Countries can also be managed using the Countries option under the Localization section. Click the Details button. Click the Insert button. Select the country. Select a zone. Click the Insert button. Changes to these settings can be made by clicking the Edit button. The settings can be removed by clicking the Delete button. Click the Back button. Now that we've configured our new tax zone, let's remove the previous one. Click the tax zone to select it. Click the Delete button. Click the Delete button to confirm. Next, we will configure our tax class for our tax zone. Click the Tax Classes link. Since different goods and services can have different tax rates within a given tax zone, tax classes are used to define what the tax is for. Click the New Tax Class button. Enter the tax class title. Enter a description. Click the Insert button. Now that we've configured our new tax class, let's remove the previous one. Since the one we want to remove is already selected, we don't have to click it to select it. Click the Delete button. Click the Delete button to confirm. Changes to our new tax class settings can be made by clicking the Edit button. Finally, we will set up the tax rate that will be assigned to our tax class and tax zone. Click the Tax Rates link. Click the New Tax Rate button. Select the tax class title. Select the zone. Enter the tax rate percentage. Enter a description. Enter the priority. The priority is used when you will have multiple tax rates for a given tax class and zone. If you will have more than one that are added together, enter the same value for the priority on each rate. If you will be only having one tax rate, you can leave the field blank and it will be populated with the default value of 0 when the tax rate is saved. Click the Insert button. Changes to these settings can be made by clicking the Edit button. The settings can be removed by clicking the Delete button. Congratulations! You now know how to manage tax zones, classes, and rates in osCommerce.